We'll guide you through how to fix apps automatically closing on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when apps go and close automatically after opening them, as you're then unable to go and properly use them. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video, which will go and solve the problem for you. So what you want to do first of all is we're just going to make sure the app has been fully closed. So what you want to do is go and swipe up, and you can swipe across, and hopefully you can find it here and you can swipe up on it to go and close it. Then what you can do is try opening up again and go and see if it will go and solve it. You may find the situation where it isn't showing up there. If that's the case, don't worry, let's go and continue. Or if it doesn't solve it, let's go and continue. Next, what you want to do is come into your settings. You want to go and scroll down, and you want to come into General. Then you want to come into iPhone storage. You want to make sure you've got some free storage. See, I've got 125 gigabytes, which is plenty. But if you've got a tiny amount, like your iPhone is pretty much full, that can go and cause apps to go and close and crash when they go and open. So what you should try doing is go and freeing up some space there. Scroll through. You can go and delete apps or delete some photos and videos, amongst other things as well. So you can go and see if after freeing up some space, the app will then go and remain open. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is you want to come into the App Store and you want to go and search for the app that you're using. So press search in the bottom right and you could type it in. Let's say it was Instagram. Then what you want to do is go and see if there's an update available. So you can go and click on it. And if there's an update available, where it says open, it will go and say update. It may say it here, but to definitely check, tap on it. And if it says update where it says open, click there, and often an update will solve the problem as the app's been updated and you're using an outdated version, which can go and be the reason why it's not working. The next thing you can try doing is opening up the settings again, and you want to come back to the main page, come to general, and it's worth doing a software update. So press here, it's going to go and check if there's anything available. If there is, what you want to do is go and download and install it. If you're using an outdated iOS version, this can go and cause problems like that. So see if updating will solve it. If there's no update available or you update it and it still happens, we're going to try doing a forced restart. So you can press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold that side button. And you want to go and keep this held down. Shortly, the phone screen is going to go black, as you can see. But you keep it held down, and you're going to go and release, and the Apple icon will appear, and that's when you go and release and go and wait for it to go and start. Then what you can do is you can go and see if the problem is solved. Hopefully apps will now open and won't close. If you found this useful, then leave a like.